Girls and boys. So today I'm very happy for you all that you all have participated in this grand speech competition that is called Global Speech Competition. They all have shown their interest in participating in this grand speech competition, and I'm very happy for you all, and I'm congratulating you all in advance that you are here to build your confidence and to enhance your communication skills. Speaking in front of these guys is not very easy. When you stand here and you utter a single sentence in front of these guys, that will show your confidence. So I hope you all will do very fantastic. I want you all to create a brand history of this campus, because this moment will be mentioned and described and written in the history of campus, and it will be everlasting and evergreen in the history of campus. And I know the student and the dear student who have participated in this today, you all will be evergreen for the campus, and the campus will remember you forever. You will not be forgotten by campus, because campus is the institute where the student become a professional and great English speaker. Actually, this moment will be your lifetime. Do you know why? Because you can never forget this moment if you once complete. Because this moment will be missed and remembered and reminded when you get older. Because after finishing your batch, you will forget this moment, because you will be busy in your life and your whole life will be hectic and you will be surrounded with a hectic schedule. But when you get older, then you will not have any work, so you will miss this moment and you will regret that you did not participate in this competition. Today I am going to tell you one thing, that your time will be 5 minutes. Every student will denote when you speak for 4 minutes, and when your time will be over, so you will have to leave your stage. Today you have a mic, you have a stage, and the stage is yours. I want to tell you one thing, that if the student who will come and who will stand first, he will get 50 rupees from me. And the student who will be the best speaker of today and of this year, they will get 100 rupees from me, except medal, trophy and best speaker certificate. So I want you all to do well, and I hope you will do well. Don't leave your stage before 4 minutes, because if you once leave your stage before 4 minutes, you will not be counted that you have participated in speech, because you have to speak till 5 minutes. And you have to speak about 4 minutes. Before 4 minutes, you cannot leave your stage. Stage is yours. Do whatever you want to do, because the day of today is yours. Today is Sunday, and the time is 3. So I don't want to extend my words, and I want to call someone. Before calling someone, I want to see your confidence that you want to come first and start this grand session today. I'm very happy for you all. So now, who is very lucky person? I have already told you that if you want to stand, any one of you will get 50 rupees from me, because of your confidence. So this is Campus Institute, where you are sitting and where you have come. And campus will remember you forever, because you all are the participant, and this name will be written in the history of campus. Because campus is going to become India's #1 English spoken institute. Campus is going to become India's #1 English speaking institute, and it will not be possible only just because of me. I need your support, I need your contribution, and I need your efforts. If you don't support me, so I'm nothing in the world. But if you're with me, so I'm everything in the world. So I need your support, and just be confident, because the day is yours, stage is yours, I'm yours, campus is yours. So don't worry, don't get scared. So now, who wants to come first?
Yes, sir.
For him, please come on the stage, sir.